Hi. So last time we discussed about the for loop. Now we are going to understand the while loop. Just like any other programming language, JavaScript does provide the while loop option. So let's take an example. We'll say while I is less than 5, perform following operation. We'll declare the r I equal to 0, and in here we'll specify console dot log and we'll print I. Afterwards, I plus plus will invoke this one. So this is how the while loop work. We initiated the value, we gave the condition till what period it should run, and then we'll close this one. Just like while, we have a do while as well. So in which we'll say do following thing till what time it should do while instead of I'll give another variable k, and I'll replace I with k in here, and k until it is less than 5. So I'm just going to mention that it is k just for more understanding, and this is I. So now we'll see it does exactly the same thing what while has done. It started from 0, went till up to 5, but the difference lies in do. It execute this condition, these statements. Afterwards it's check should it execute or not. But in here, before executing these statements, it checks the condition. So let's test out by simulating this one. I'll change it to 5 itself, and in here also I'll specify 5. Now we'll see the output. See, I did not went through this while loop did not work because I mentioned I is 5, but I in here is not less than 5, it is equal to 5. Therefore this while loop did not work. But in do while, this statements does execute before executing the while before checking this parameter. So this is the difference between do while and while loop. Now there are some things like break statement. We can introduce the break statement in the loop as well. So if I am saying if I is equal to 3, then break. So which means these particular loop should not work more than 3, and I'm going changing it back in the third iteration. It should break. So in this example, I'll just comment this one so that we can understand the break statement clearly. So once I execute, as soon as 3 goes, it break out of the loop. Likewise, we have a continue. So what it does, if it is a 3, it will continue. It will not skip all these, and it will go to the next particular iteration 4. It will not perform the all subsequent steps. So if in here, Yeah. So if I am using continue, in first iteration it went, second it did, in third one it continued, in fourth one it incremented first. Earlier, the bug which I was facing before, as we skipped this particular step, the value never got incremented in here. So that's why increment has to be called before, and that's why our loop was getting stuck. So this is a little bit about the while loop. Thank you.